Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, I'm going to show you on how to resolve if Windows security is not detecting third-party firewalls or antivirus installed on your computer. So if it's prompting you to install or turn on the firewall or the antivirus for Windows, but it's not recognizing you already have a third-party antivirus installed and turned on. And then I'll show you how to resolve that. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to re-register WMIU tils.dll. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And then once na-open mo na tong administrator command prompt, and then next step ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na regs sbr32 space /u space wmIUTILS.dll. So ilalagay ko yan sa description box, and then copy lang natin yan, and then i-paste natin dito. Gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B and press mo lang yung enter. Ayan, okay. So makikita nyo dito na unregistered server in WMIO tils.dll succeeded, and then click mo lang dito yung OK, and then close lang natin tong CMD at dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. And other solutions we will do is to edit in the registry. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung registry editor, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And then once na open mo na tong registry editor, so before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you to create a backup file. So if anything go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is to select yung file dito sa taas. So click mo lang yan. And then select mo lang dito yung export. And dito sa export registry file. And then select mo lang dito kung saan mo isisave yung file. And then I would suggest, I recommend to create a file name must be with a date. So kailangan mong ilagay yung date, and then click mo lang dito yung save. Alright. And then if you needed to import it back, so same procedures, all you have to do is to select yung file dito sa taas, and then select mo lang dito yung import, and dito sa import registry file, and then locate mo lang dito kung saan mo sinave yung file, and then click mo lang dito yung open. Alright, so start na tayo. So ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung HK local machine, so double click ka lang. And then dito sa HK local machines, and then select mo lang dito yung software. So double click ulit dito. And dito sa software, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Microsoft. So double click ulit dito. And then dito sa Microsoft, ang next step ay i-locate mo lang dito yung Security Center. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. Ayan, so makikita mo dito yung Security Center. So ang next step ay kailangan mo lang mag-double click ulit, so double click, and then dito sa security center ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung picture. Okay, so dito sa picture, one time click, at dito sa right pane ay kailangan natin mag-create dito ng folder. So kung paano ba yan mag-create, so right click, and then select mo lang dito yung new, and then dito sa key, select mo lang dito yung dword 32-bit value, and then makikita mo na dito yung new folder, and then kailangan natin yan i-rename. So ilalagay natin dito is disable, and then AB. So yung A is big letter, and then yung B is small, and then check. Alright, ganyan. So ilagay mo lang dito or i-rename mo dito yung disabled, and then A big letter, and then yung B is small, and then check. Yung C big letter, and then check. Ayan, so one word lahat yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. Okay, and the next step ay kailangan mo lang mag-double click, And then, makikita mo kaagad dito yung edit the word 32-bit value. So, double check yung value name. And then, dito sa value data ay i-change natin yung 0 into 1. And then, dito sa base ay kailangan nakaselect dito yung hexadecimal. And then, click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito and then kailangan lang natin mag-close dito sa registry and dito lang sa start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Ayan, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to resolve if Windows security is not detecting third-party firewalls or antivirus installed on your computer. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.